is peaceful and so ekamia yese enkrofo bi mu empesa da bia
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
January 31st NPP is peaceful and so ekamia yese enkrofo bi mu empesa da bia de omu benya ne say NPP we are biting ourselves da bia de omu benya ne say de ewo NPP mu enka ba bia wo ko hye enka hye hodi from January up to June enka hye hodi nenka at least se wo be pie kura no a enka mienhunu ensesaye bi ewo wa brabom ana se wo kasam enso ojamse ono de NPP mu joa na chese ne ho etete no NPP mu wo problem o mu wo problem papa na se mu anse kire anka asemu na wo de hwe ade no kra no chese ensem no wo ka no okay. A lot of them, the first do not support it. Una will say, we are Defense and Interior Committee Chairman. Okay? And unti Afari Hospital, the airco ebanina unim hubi. There is a document online which is proving, say, as at 2022, you signed off on it. Say, Sika budget ya yade koma eye defense ministry, defense and interior ministry, which was about 3 billion. Because say it was stated say Afari Hospital was about 90% complete, and I was signing off on the budget. Senior beya that appropriation, can go through. This is the facts. Into what seminar na wokano. The facts on it in the crown does not support asemwa wokano. And so ojam MPP mujua ompe enunti obeba be henyemu. Asemwa na wokano. It proves to everybody say sebi entro fita ene na wutwa se MPP betena so omanye Afari Hospital. But a document that you signed off on it, Abusia, you signed off on it as the chairman of the Defense and Interior Committee. What the chair say, Afari Hospital was 90% complete and it was done by Akufo-Addo.
Nanimpa hunu na mi nim no ba mu wogidie woni mu se obeba bebia ma me eninti na asantefo to aba edema MPP ayi edema NDC ba power into when this wo ba power no main purpose main target ne say Afari military hospital no oba finishing within 1 year Now what they are masantefo to gain their mentality. Any GDA now what gain one mentality, what gain one GDA, one when you receive ni GDA at the amount where in this government. And Sessa Robert now in the first place, I'm a 1.5 years now back. Osi yenja NDC for because one more by 1.5 years ni. Sikana wamo de kwa 24 hours economy market no. Sa sikana yebetimi atam e dia commission sa afarowa military hospital no e dia magana for. Ada woni. Project da ho. Wonye. Wo so wo kokate another project. How? Wo project da ho wonye. Aka krane wawie. Wo si magaya to ho. Kwa kokate another sword. Ebe shasi e day one. Yay! One kwa America e wo park so. I say wadi kanyo o no di kan o di first. But first no or say mempe biem. Mempe first no. But me jam first na madi no na maba be di last. Na maba be shasi e foforo. What be that? What it look like tuna ye to aba editia honorable Kennedy Japan no ase ya kakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because say ya eni honorable Kennedy Japan mu a na the fact and the truth I say honorable Kennedy Japan e catch na NDC government and say Ghana for na jide wo mu it make sure say what commission sa hospital ne dia masantefo ene Ghana for. At that moment, I will bet now my NPP. Ebeba be demonstration the same. Ebietia when this government will fail it. Because a Juma go the necessary way. Enti honorable Kennedy Japan beka say, NDC NPPfuo buy mu 8 years. One commission into obi about 1.5 years a yenja womu. And na Ghana jina so to about this NPP. So that is your responsibility as NDC to commission the hospital for Ashanti region. For Ashanti people. Any Ghana for. Masa, only a hospital, only a hospital, no. 1.5 years penny on GP. What's a 1.5 on GP? On DD. Maybe so on GP. On DD. On DD. Sikabe no time yes or the kwa start 24 hours economy market ni sikabe no time ye. Sa sika ni yentimi yi enfan finish sa hospital na. Enti mistake a NPP ye no. That means all part na say NDC sunye the same thing enye sa. Kofo na sha ase. O sha ase na NDC for beto aso wo mu awie. NDC for so afiri so. NPP abeto aso wo mu so awie. Na wo NDC wa ba finish no. Finish no.
Mujene da ono. Si mu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufu Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections ayeko. E no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meyama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi compound go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and it goes on and no say. It is a Kenyan who say na no man in Abeya. It is a can of the was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for. Name my comfort man sacrificing discard to what the eye hospitals, and most of my account for. I comfort my facilitator, Miss Ombe Fund, free seniors, most of my account for. Is there any Ghana for debut? Now, find a tables net and after the Moki Kaka. Why are they shouting? Obian cannon to me and call. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a chief imam for the common to the queen in a politicians didn't come on to the queen in a home. Market women on common to the queen now. Obian cannon to the queen in a 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Ah, yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open conquer get it. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a yanking, get a yanking, be a invest square yanking. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. I didn't same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open get. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, you know, most people get it. Is any money? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me who papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che radio ndama ma so o mema was come to mutu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E de radio ndama ma ko gina fa se enkanfo mu gafo ka cho se oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia. E na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Say dear ko ye kwa de menu now to me who letter be a Y0uth chro ye about Council of State member Volta region. Na me say films eh Remona Chapa ya happen say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1. Which is never true.
Onya
Juma order. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number 1 for the first time. Number 1 I post. Oh yes, number 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say oh, the boy.
Oh, since I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number 1 and kwa baby akwa dan. And then number 1. Yes. Not just say. Was in Ukraine during say state institution. We are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or Council of State member or company out to good a year before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply of good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu Y0uth se osusi se nipa na sisi no Y0uth we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omo statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court Y0uth na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Y0uth is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the also by us say any mokra mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say Y0uth office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
No, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on sa no hu no no kra se amfe ya sorry amfe na nsi fo ma